Ever wondered how to use mobile tools to reverse engineer your dream life? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and I'm going to break down the process in a way that cuts through all the noise. Unlike most other videos, I'm not making a penny off affiliate links or sponsorships, so you can trust this advice is purely for your benefit. Stick around, because I'm going to reveal a strategy that's worked wonders in my career, and it's something that's going to completely change the way you approach your goals. Now, before we get into the meat of this, let me ask you, how many times have you downloaded a productivity app or used a tool, only to find that it didn't quite deliver the results you were expecting? It happens all the time. But here's the thing, those tools can work. It's all about using them the right way. For the first thing you need to understand is that your dream life isn't going to just fall into your lap, even if you have the best tools available. The key to reverse engineering your dream life is breaking down your big goals into smaller, actionable tasks. This is where mobile tools come in. You've got your phone right in your pocket, and it's full of powerful apps and features that can make those big dreams a reality. Take your to-do lists, for example. Most people use basic to-do apps, but they don't go any deeper. That's where the power of task management apps like Notion or Todoist really comes in. They aren't just for keeping track of tasks. They're about building systems that align with your goals. For instance, you can create a personal knowledge database in Notion, integrate habit tracking, and even plan out your life goals with specific deadlines, making it all visible on one dashboard. This lets you break your larger goals down into small, digestible steps and track your progress. It's about creating a framework on your phone that reflects the life you want to live. Another game changer is automation. It sounds complicated, but it's actually something most people can start using right now. Apps like Zapier or IFTTT can automate your workflow, making sure that everything you do, from sending emails to organizing files, is streamlined. Imagine this. Every time you schedule a meeting in your calendar, it can automatically send a reminder to your phone, add relevant notes, and even link documents related to the meeting without you having to lift a finger. This kind of automation frees up your mental space and gives you more time to focus on bigger goals. Now, if you're wondering, how does this actually reverse engineer my dream life? The answer is simple. It's all about removing friction from your daily routine. With the right mobile tools, you can automate tasks, track progress, and even stay motivated, all from your phone. This allows you to focus your energy on what truly matters, building the life you want. Here's the kicker. There's something many people overlook when it comes to these tools. It's not just about getting more done, it's about using your time strategically. This is where apps like Rescue Time come into play. They track how much time you're spending on different activities throughout the day and give you a breakdown of where your energy is going. This way, you can identify areas where you're wasting time and course correct quickly. And let's not forget about personal growth. Tools like Headspace or Calm can help you integrate mindfulness into your day, which is just as important as productivity. The truth is, building your dream life doesn't just require getting more done. It requires creating a life that's balanced, focused, and grounded in the present moment. Mindfulness apps help you refocus and reduce stress so you can actually enjoy the process. Here's something to consider. If you're using these tools to build your dream life, you're already ahead of the curve. Most people just wander through life, reacting to things as they happen, but you're actively designing your future, and that's where the power of mobile tools really lies. They give you the framework and structure you need to make the most of every day. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing. You won't find any affiliate links or hidden incentives here, just real, actionable advice that you can use to change your life. And remember, using mobile tools to reverse engineer your dream life is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore.